College Writing Course Number 5, The Writing Process, Research, by Overlook Tutorial Academy. How often has the blank page syndrome bothered you? That feeling of, now what do I do, when faced with a paper to write? In this article, I'll give you a checklist for organizing the first step. That is, refining your topic and doing the literature search to back up the paper. The research process, step 1. Create a research question. In order to do research, you need to know when you have found relevant information. Even more important, in order to stop doing research, you need to know when you have enough information. In order to accomplish those two goals, your research topic has to be turned into a question, not just Shakespeare's Macbeth. That is way too broad. But who are the important subordinate characters in Shakespeare's Macbeth? Think in terms of key words. A starting question would use 3 or 4. For the above question, they would be subordinate, characters, Shakespeare, and Macbeth. Step 2. Preliminary research, internet sources. Begin with your favorite search engine. For the above question, a starting query might be subordinate plus character plus Shakespeare plus Macbeth. Get more results by removing keywords. Get fewer results by adding keywords. Be sure to keep track of website and links, especially references to print books and authors. These links and books are clues you can follow to even more information. Preliminary research in print sources. The difficulty in library research is more a matter of locating materials than of the scarcity of material to answer your research questions. Here is a list of the clues you should use in the effort. Internet research will yield titles and authors. Your textbook or textbooks has bibliographies. Your teacher may have referenced authors in class. Look up your keywords in the indexes to subject encyclopedias. The articles in encyclopedias have bibliographies. Take note of titles and authors. Periodical indexes and abstracts have citations to articles. Every book you pull will have a bibliography. And finally, and perhaps most important, ask a librarian. Too many students forget that a librarian is an expert at locating sources in their collection. Step 3. Evaluate and organize findings. Now comes the fun. Look at each of your chosen sources. Is it scholarly? What are the author's credentials? Is it written for an academic audience? If it's not at the level you need, put it back now. It is especially important to cross-reference and verify online resources. Remember, anyone can post a website. I include this because so often one forgets this part. Step 5. Refine and rewrite your topic. Based on what you've found in your research, you can now frame the final question. Choose one you actually found references to answer, of course. Check that your question fits the assigned topic. Step 6. Gather the works you will cite. Now you need to collect and organize your bibliographic references. You can do it, badly, with jotted scribbles on random papers. A nice job can be done, as your high school teacher no doubt required, on a deck of index cards. Those days have passed, it seems to me. I use a simple, freely downloadable research organizer. Zotero lets me gather resources, organize them by the various projects I work on, and share them with colleagues. All good, but the best part is that it interfaces directly with word processors, so I can work faster and more accurately with my citations. Whatever sources and organization methods you use, you are now ready to outline and ultimately write your paper. As always, if you have any other questions, feel free to call us. And good luck in the library.